Hello friends, my name is Radhamasu. Today we shall discuss about the topic earned value management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to the project management, especially if you are planning to give exam of PMP and you are thinking about to clear the exam of PMP exam. So this is a very important topic with respect to project management. So let's start, friend. First of all, I request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. Earned value management. Friend, earned value or short form EV is a way to measure and monitor the level of work completed on a project against the plan. Simply put, it a quick way to tell if you are behind schedule or over budget on your project. Basically, friend, whenever we are implementing a project as a project manager, so the planning is the most important thing. Planning in terms of schedule, in terms of cost. Okay. So one thing is the planning. The second thing is that actual work, like you have planned that this particular task should be completed in 5 days, for example. So in actual, in how many days that task was completed, how much cost was actually incurred on that particular task. So basically this is the comparison of planned versus actual, so that we can evaluate the performance of a project. Either we are going in a right direction or either if we are going in the wrong direction. If you are on the wrong track, so you can take the right action so that you can bring back the project on the right track. So this is the main concept of earned value management, that you are evaluating the performance of a project in terms of time and cost, so that you can take the right action and you can complete the project on time and within the cost. Now there are a few concepts are there. First concept is the schedule variance. Schedule variance is the difference between your planned progress and your actual progress to date. Okay, so basically schedule variance, all the thing is related to schedule or timeline basically. So the SV or schedule variance calculation is EV, earned value, minus planned value. Let's assume you have a 4-month long project and you are 2 months in that, but the project is only 25% completed. In that case, your EV, earned value, is equal to 1 month, 25% of 4 month. Okay, so it will be 1 month. Okay, and your PV, planned value, is equal to 2 months. So therefore your SV is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So the formula was, earned value was PV, the calculation was earned value minus planned value. Okay, so it is the schedule variance. So here 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Since the number is negative, it indicates you are behind the schedule. Okay. Next concept is cost variance. Similar to SV, schedule variance, cost variance is the difference between how much you plan on spending thus far and your actual cost to date. So the CV, actual cost variance calculation, is CV is equal to EV minus AC. Yeah, that means earned value minus actual cost. So let's use the earliest example. Your project budget is like $100K and you are 60% done, which means your EV is $60,000 if you have spent $70,000. So far to get this point in this project, your CV is cost variance is equal to minus 10,000. How we have actually calculated? See from here, actual earned value minus actual cost. So your earned value was $60,000 and your like your actual cost was $70,000. So EV minus actual cost, so it will become minus 10,000. So you can tell you are over budgeted because the number is negative. Remember, if number is negative, so that means it's wrong, it's bad. In case of cost variance and the schedule variance. Okay. Now schedule performance index, this measure is similar to SV, but is often preferred as it translates the number into a value that is easily compared across tasks or projects. The SPI, schedule performance index, is formula is EV, earned value, divided by planned value. When SPI is above 1, you are ahead of the schedule. If it is below 1, you are behind. Okay, so that means, to take the example from the SPI, would be 1 upon 2 equal to 0.5. How we have calculated? Just see, earned value divided by planned value. Earned value was 1 and the PV, planned value, was 2. So it will become 0.5. So, 0.5 means when SPI is above 1, you are ahead of a schedule. If it is, that means you are behind the schedule. Okay. Now, the cost performance index, as with SPI, CPI allows you to simplify the answer for better analysis. So, CPI calculation is CPI is equal to EV, earned value, divided by actual cost. When CPI is over budget 1, you are under budget, and when it is under 1, you are over spending actually. In this scenario, above CPI is equal to 60,000 divided by 70,000 is equal to 0.86. So, it indicating an overspending. CPI can be used to forecast your project completion. For example, you can divide your total project budget by your current CPI to get the expected total cost at completion. The formula is estimate at completion, EAC, is equal to budget divided by CPI. In the above example, this would be $100,000 divided by 0.86 is equal to 116,279.07, meaning that this is the point in the project. Based on current trend, you will likely end up overspending your budget by 16,279.07 dollar actually. So, friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.